Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings, then scroll all the way down and go to General Management. Over here, go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then, at the top, choose Languages and Types, and finally go to Manage Input Languages. Over here you will find all downloaded languages available for the keyboard. So, if needed, find your language. Let's say I'm gonna choose Portuguese. Tap on the slider in order to enable it. And now you will have two languages, the first one that you had already and of course the new one. If you don't want to get rid of the previous one, then you can simply go to, let's say, Messages, tap on the contact to show the keyboard, and in order to change the language which is displayed on space, you can press this button over here in order to switch between all languages that you have enabled. Now let's go back to the same settings as before. You can also change the order of the languages. So if you press on these three dots, you can choose reorder, and then you can change the position like so. You can simply drag and drop to a new position. And also you can disable languages that you have before and that you want to remove. So you can press on the slider one more time for languages that you don't want to use in order to disable them, so that you are left only with one. And also, if needed, you can press on the language over here in order to choose the keyboard layout. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.